Standard 12th English. Introduction of new syllabus and activity sheet pattern. Lecture video by Mr. Tejas C. Puranik, Nashik, MA MEd English. So dear students, I am going to start my new video. Today I am going to discuss Standard 12th English textbook new paper format activity sheet. We call it activity sheet. You have studied activity sheet in 11th standard, in 10th standard, in 9th standard. Let us share, let us discuss about what is the exact फॉर्मॅट ऑफ न्यू ऍक्टिव्हिटी शीट, मराठीत ज्याला आपण कृतीपत्रिका असं संबोधतो. नवीन आलेला हा अभ्यासक्रम, नवीन आलेला हा जो पेपर पॅटर्न आहे, त्याची माहिती करून घेणं हे गरजेचं आहे. एव्हरी स्टुडंट शुड कम टू नो अबाउट द बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द सिलेबस ऑफ 12th of English, what is exact format of activity sheet of English of 12th standard. Whenever you start your study, think twice and thrice, make it a plan of self study for entire year. Nowadays you are watching the exact situation of the society due to COVID-19 pandemic situation. All classes are online of colleges and private classes, especially as a subject teacher of English. I tell you one thing, through online classes, we are unable to study everything. I know that due to online classes, many students cannot attend the English lectures. But if you listen my video on YouTube, download it, subscribe the channel, so I shall make it some very good videos for students of 12th standard who have promoted from 11 to 12th. Now your results are declared by your colleges. 11th standard students are promoted to next year. So dear students, let us talk about today the what is exact format of activity sheet. You have to give an opportunity to your own brain, own mind. Various new activities are framed in your curriculum of standard 12th English textbook by government. So I hope कि read the textbook carefully, go through each page of 12th English textbook, then you can understood कि what is exact syllabus. At this current year, government reduced 25% syllabus of 12th standard. But dear friends, right now, situation is continued. Still here, I'm discussing the format of activity sheet for all 12 students. So let us see what is exact format of activity sheet of English one by one. Let us see the 4 sections. First section includes prose. Second section includes poetry. Third section includes writing skill. And last section includes genre novel. Last year you studied drama. In 12th, you will have to prepare for novel. So one by one, I share the screen. So here, let us talk about the standard 12th Maharashtra State Board format of annual exam activity sheet, new syllabus, subject English. Section 1 prose, reading for comprehension, language study, grammar, mind mapping, marks 34. 34 marks weightage for prose section is given in your 12th standard English syllabus. Now, let us talk about the slide number 2. Question 1a. Friends, now you have to study first the scene prose passage from your textbook. Some lessons are given, some lessons are included. So read the extract and complete the activities given below, 12 marks. So 12 marks weightage is given. Scene extract from section 1 of 275 to 300 words. Now let us see and let us talk about one by one the exact each activity. Activity 1 global understanding for 2 marks. Activity 2 complex factual 2 marks. Activity 3 interpretation, inference and analysis 2 marks. Activity 4 personal response type question. Already you have studied this question in 11th, in 10th also. Activity 5th language study. It includes grammar section, grammar topics for 2 marks. And activity 6 vocabulary. It includes 2 marks. Total 12 marks. Then I come to the next point, B, language study, non-textual grammar for 4 marks. Now let us talk about the section B in question 1. In this section, in this subtype activity, students have to solve the non-textual grammar. Which are they? First, B1, do as directed and transformation of sentences for 3 marks. And B2, spot the error, 1 mark. Total 4 marks. So question 1 carries total 16 marks. Okay. Now I come to the next slide. Question 2A. Now, dear friends, let us talk about the question 2A. It is based on unseen extract, unseen passages. Okay. So read the extract and complete the activities given below, 12 marks. Unseen extract of 275 to 300 words. Activity 1 includes global understanding question, 2 marks. Activity 2 includes complex factual questions, 2 marks. Activity 3 includes interpretation and analysis questions for 2 marks. Activity 4, personal response type questions for 2 marks. Activity 5th, language study. Again, format is same like question 1. Activity 6, vocabulary, 2 marks, total 12 marks. But now, again, new topics, two sub-activities are included. Let's see. Question 2B includes summary writing. Now, dear friends, here in your 12th standard syllabus in writing skill section, summary writing is special topic. Summary writing is special chapter for writing skill. You have to study. Still, you have to study in detail, in depth, what is summary. Summary writing for 3 marks. Write the summary of the above extract with a suitable title and with the help of given points. Some points will be given to you, and with the help of these points, you will have to write the answer of summary writing. You have to give a suitable title to the written passage. Then I come to the very interesting topic. It is new topic, my dear friends, mind mapping. What is mind mapping? It's a very interesting, very nice topic. It is included in your 12th standard syllabus. Last year in 11th standard, you already studied. Develop a mind mapping frame design using your ideas, thoughts, concepts to illustrate and develop on the given topic. Okay. Now I come to the next slide. Section 2, poetry. Poetry and appreciation for 14 marks. Now it carries 14 marks weightage for board exam. Now let's see the question 3 includes scene poetry stanza, scene extract from a poem of about 10 to 15 lines. Some poems are included in your 12th standard syllabus. Read the extract and complete the activities given below, 10 marks. Activity 1 includes global understanding. Activity 2 includes again interpretation, analysis question. Activity 3 includes personal response type question. Activity 4, poetic device, 2 marks. And activity 5th, poetic creativity, compose 2 to 4 lines, owned by students, 2 marks. Why I am showing this paper pattern? Because now I have created Google Classroom for my college students, and I am sending the poetry activity sheets. So you will see, according to the board paper pattern, I am sending activity sheets there. So if you listen this video, if you watch this video very, very carefully, so you can get clear idea about format. Now I come to the next question 3B, poetic appreciation. Yes, when you learn any poem, you can evaluate, you can analyze the poem. एखादा कवी जो असतो तो कविता वाचल्यावर, कवी असो किंवा कोणी रीडर असो, वाचक असो, तो वाचल्यानंतर त्या कवितेचं रसग्रहण करतो. वाचक. ऍप्रिसिएशन करणं म्हणजे मराठीमध्ये त्याला आपण कविता रसग्रहण करणं असं म्हणतो. वेगवेगळे रस आहेत साहित्यात, लिटरेचरमध्ये. तर सांगायचा मुद्दा असा, की जेव्हा तुम्ही हा प्रश्न सोडवता, हा प्रश्न आपण इयत्ता 9वी, इयत्ता 10वी आणि इयत्ता 11वी मध्ये आपण त्याचा अभ्यास केलेला आहे. वी हॅव स्टडीड दिस टॉपिक इन 9th, इन 10th अँड लास्ट इयर 11th. So poetic appreciation for 4 marks. In 10th, it was for 10 marks, but right now marks are reduced only for 4 marks. You have to write 4 points. Read the extract and write as per the instruction. See friends, the note is given in the bracket. See an extract of 10 to 15 lines from another poem, not asked in question 3A. Okay, if the first poem will be asked in question 3A, so appreciation will be based on another poem. Okay, so you have to study for appreciation question all poems. Okay, now I come to the next slide. Writing skill, of course, it carries 16 marks weightage of marks for board examination paper. Question 4, complete the activities as per the instructions given below, 16 marks. It includes question 4A, drafting a virtual message, statement of purpose, or group discussion. You are having choice. You can choose, you can attempt only one for 4 marks. Drafting a virtual messages, SOP, or group discussion are the new topics. These are included in your 12th standard textbook. Then next, question 4B, email writing or report writing or interview. Of course, email writing you have studied in 11th standard. Report writing also you have studied in 11th standard or in 10th standard. And framing and interview questions. Again, you can attempt only one for 4 marks. C, speech comparing and expansion of idea, or you are having, or you can attempt only one for 4 marks. You are having choice. Now next, last activity, review, blog or appeal for 4 marks. Total 16 marks weightage for writing skill. Now section 4 includes literary genre, novel, mark 16. Okay, so let us see one by one. Now here, question 5A, complete the activities given below as per the instructions, 4 marks. Based on textbook content 4.1, you have to study the 4.1 history of English novel. On the basis of this lesson, you have to solve the activities on history of English novel for 2 marks. Second, activities on history of English novel, 2 marks. Which type of activities can be asked by the paper setter in board exam? MCQ, match the columns, chronological order, fill in the blanks, true or false, elements of novel, any other novel activity paper setter can be set. Activity should not be repeated in the sub questions. So question 5th A for 4 marks. Question 5th B, it is based on elements such as plot, structure, theme, setting, language, character, based on textbook content 4.2. 4.2 novel you have to study. Okay, so questions, let's see now. Describe, explain, compare, contrast, name or discuss. It will be for or. Okay, for 2 marks. And illustrate, interpret, narrate, justify, find or identify. So students will have to choose, or you have to attempt one for 2 marks. It will be a compulsory question. No extract, no passages will be given to you for novel 4.2 and 4.3 and 4.4 for 12th standard novel section. Okay, in prose section you will get extract for writing answer, but in novel section you have to study textbook in detail and in depth. Now see, an answer in about 50 words to the questions given below. 4 marks based on textbook 4.3. And D section, Again, same as above, B and C, it will be based on 4.4 novel. So in this way, it will be your format of activity sheet. Now, a note is given, compulsory note is given for the understanding of students. I am reading. Question 1 to question 4 are purely activity based questions. Grammar activity should be functional or in activity format. You will get grammar activity should not be in a plain instruction based type. In mind mapping, various varieties should be accepted. In there should not be repetition of activities throughout the activity sheet. Varieties in the novel activities are expected. And question fifth, B, C, D are memory based questions because I repeat my sentence. You have to study textbook for last section novel 4.2 up to 4.4 novels in detail. Similar activities should not be repeated throughout the sections. So try to understand the paper pattern. So here, lastly, I give you a one instruction to all of you. Now my discussion on format of activity sheet is over. Some good videos are available. So I shall make a new video for my YouTube channel and I shall share you each section wise explanation on format of activity sheet is given in this video. So I shall share you. So don't take tension and definitely you will like these videos. You will use it for your self learning due to COVID-19 situation. Use all videos and do your study at home. Stay home, stay safe.